Hello everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with a hobby basketball break. I got one box of 2015-16 Panini Excalibur. This is a premium box that comes with 60 cards, and it says 3 autographs or mem cards per box on average. And you get 3 Crusade cards numbered to 149 or less per box. Pretty cool. And also find Kaboom. I never hit a Kaboom, so that'd be different. Alright, and I picked this up at the National, so let's check out this thing. This big old box here. I believe these were a Target exclusive back then, but they've come down a lot in price. Alright, pretty nice box. This is a huge box. I'll get the packs right there. Alright, pack 1. Alright, we got a backwards card here. Alright, there's the base design. Whiteside, Tariq Evans, Cantor, Kyrie Irving, Luau Ding, Chris Bosh, Asky, Teague, George Hill. First insert, Night Court, Paul Gasol. Also Carmelo Anthony. And a third Night Court, DeMarcus Cousins. And the first Crusade, these are pretty cool looking. Kevin Barstow, rookie, red. And the reds are not numbered. And the first hit, Jeff Teague, ringing endorsement for the Hawks. It's plain white jersey. And this does not appear to be numbered. All white there. Alright, so hopefully my last 2 hits are autographs. And then we got this foil JJ Redick, red foil. Alright, pack 1 had a hit. Let's see what pack 2 has. I'll do a little bit better. We got Morse, Rudez rookie card, McDaniels rookie card, Mitch McGrady rookie card, Capella rookie card, Inglis rookie card, a lot of rookies, Rodney Hood rookie card, the rookie pack, Tristan Thompson, Jason Terry, Joe Holiday, Wesley Matthews, and we got a low numbered card here. Ooh, pretty cool. Number to 49, Jason Kidd, Nobility. First serial number card. Very nice. Jason Kidd, serial numbered. 49, 23 of 49. We got a Slam Inc. Dr. J. Insert. And the rookie Rubio, die cut. Orange. That is numbered 59 out of 60. It's a cool looking card. I like that die cut. 2 serial number cards in this pack. And how about a Giannis? Not bad here. Foil. No hit, but pretty good pack. Alright, so we should have 2 hits in the last 2 packs here. Then hit a Kaboom also. Alright, Kevin Garnett, Kemba Walker, Bogut, Lazo, Covington, Marcus Cousin, Paul Pierce on the Wizards, Giannis base card, Brandon Knight, Nobility, Paul Pierce, Bill Walton Nobility, and Larry Bird. Crusade, Andre Drummond, blue, as numbered to 149, 94, 190, 149. And the hit, Anthony Mason, old school high praise, autograph kind of coming off the sticker. It's kind of a bummer. Not bad. Anthony Mason autograph. Alright. And Damian Lillard foil, red foil. Alright, last pack. Like I said, these I forget how much I got this for. I think it was under 50. I think I got 45 bucks or something like that. Not expecting too much, but let's get one more nice hit. Last hit here. Alright, Jason Smith. So we got a purple. What are purple's number 2? Derrick Rose, Parker, Henderson, Farrow, Carmelo Anthony, Rudy Gay, McLemore, Steve Nash, Juggernauts, Kobe Bryant, not bad. I know some of these are numbered. Larry Bird, second insert of Larry Bird. Can't go wrong there. Blake Griffin. We got a purple. Evan Turner, purple. Purples are numbered to 75, 475. And another old school hit. Remember this guy? Kendall Gill. That's a nice autograph. K's a little bit off the sticker, but other than that, that's a good looking auto. For the Hornets, not numbered. And it's Sampson. Rookie foil. So you got the Crusades, which I love. You got a lot of inserts, a lot of rookie cards. The hits I didn't do too great with this one, but here's my 2 autographs. No rookie autographs this time. No kaboons, but that's it for this Panini Excalibur. As you expect, it came down in price because I think there's a lot of boxes like this. Still pretty happy. I got I think it's some value back. So that's it for this break of 15-16 Excalibur, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.